Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at this question 11. And this question 11, as you can see here, says that in the figure below, all the lines meet at right angle. So as you can see, when they don't tell you whether it's a combination of square, rectangle, or whatever shapes, they will usually just remind you that all the lines meet at right angles. That basically tells you that the one on top and the bottom will be probably the same length, okay, and the left and right as well. So now, what is important is now we need to find out the length of FG, which is here. And let's try to write down something that we know. So this yellow color part basically is the same as this yellow color part. That's what I know. And here is 10 cm. So here will also for sure is 10 cm. Now, that's all what I know. So what can I know further by looking at this? Look at here. B to C is 18 cm. E to D is 10 cm. So what I actually can say is this part up to this part will be what? 18 minus 10 will be 8 cm. So here will be 8 cm. Correct. So now I notice one thing. If A to H, look at here, let me just highlight. If A to H is 12 cm, here to here, which is here to here lah, is 8 cm. How do I find this yellow color part? Basically 12 minus 8, which is 4 cm. So here is actually 4 cm. So here is actually 4 cm. That's it. And I got it. FG is 4 cm. So if you want to, what I'm trying to do is I'm using BC as 18 cm to minus ED as 10 cm to find out that this part is 8 cm. And if I know this part is 8 cm, then I just use 12 minus 8, then I get here 4. That's for basically part A. And now let's look at part B. What do they want from part B? Part B, they want to find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, let me just write here B so that I can always refer to the figure. Find the perimeter. Okay, now once I have known most, actually I have known most of the items already. Let me just remove this. I already found that this part is pink, this one is 4, this one is 4, this one is 10. So yeah, basically I can actually find out already. So let's try to do it as a whole. That will make it easier a bit, right? So here is 22. So I actually can say here plus here plus here is actually also 22. Again, why do I need to find that? I can just add 4 plus 10 like this, right? But the problem is I don't know what is here, right? I actually can find out by using 22 minus 4 minus 10, but that is not my purpose. My purpose is to add them up. So I can just say 22 times 2. That will give me all the purple color part. Now, but the problem here is, can I say 18, then I plus 18 here? The answer is cannot. Why? You see, 18 is this part. Let me just highlight for you. Blue color part. I cannot say that 12 plus 10. I mean, it's totally different, right? So I cannot say that because this part is overlapping. You can see this part and this part is overlapping. So I cannot do that by just saying that 18 times 2. I cannot. So what I would do is I'll just add them separately lah. 18. I will plus 18, which is this part. Then I plus 12, which is this part. I plus 4, which is this part. I plus 10, which is this part. Then I think I have most of the, I think I have everything already added in, okay? So 22 times 2 plus 18 plus 12 plus 4 plus 10. So I will just add up together. 44 plus 18 plus 12 plus 4 plus 10. 18 plus 12 gives me 30. So 74, 78, 88. So the answer is 88. That's it. Final answer, final answer. Okay, so again, please be very careful. We know that some of the purple color part that you can just do like this. This one is the same as this. But just like the side on the left and right, you can't just say here is 18, there's one another side is 18 because there is a like going inside. That's why it's a bit tricky this part. So please be very, very careful. Okay? And yes, that's all for this question 11, and we are done for this parameter for composite figures, and we shall move on to the next subtopic. Okay? Thank you. See you. Bye bye.